Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.35. If the diameter of a carbon atom is 0.15 nanometers, calculate the number of carbon atoms which can be placed side by side in a straight line across length of scale of length 20 centimeters long. Given. Diameter equals 0.15 nanometer. Length equals 20 centimeter. Solution. 0.15 nanometer. 1 nanometer equals 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter. 0.15 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. 0.15 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter is length of equals 1 atom. 20 centimeters is the length of equals 1 atom into 20 centimeters divided by 0.15 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter. Equals 20 into 10 raised to the power 7 divided by 0.15. After calculation. Number of atoms equals 1.333 into 10 raised to the power 9 atoms. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.